Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how you can easily change your phone number on Paxful account. To change your phone number on the Paxful account, first of all, open your Paxful app on your mobile device or log into paxful.com website. Either way, make sure that you're inside the home page of Paxful, and once you're in, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner. This will open up the account settings page. From the account page, tap on phone number. Now, select your country code and enter a mobile phone number you'd like to change to in the text box. Once you type in your phone number, click on the next button at the bottom. Answer the security questions on the next page. And on the next page, enter the 6-digit SMS code sent to your new mobile phone number. After entering the code, you will be able to verify your new mobile number, and hence your mobile phone number will be updated on your Paxful account. So that is how you can easily change phone number on the Paxful account in just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss out on another update from us. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.